तो I'll start the story from the beginning. Hi my cuties, how are you all? मैं आज लेके आई हूँ एक traumatizing story. So I woke up early तो नहीं मतलब बीच में मतलब before afternoon I woke up and I started starting my day. मतलब नॉर्मली जैसे होता है ब्रेकफास्ट खाया फिर थोड़ा पढ़ाई वढ़ाई किया उसके बाद थोड़ा मोबाइल स्क्रॉल किया उसके बाद एक दो वीडियोस अपलोड किए एंड देन आई थॉट आई वाज गेटिंग बोर्ड सो आई कॉल्ड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड ही इज लाइक hey I am out I want to get some air I was tired studying and everything I was like okay go chill you have your fun and everything I am sitting in my home but you are chilling outside so wow okay amazing you didn't even call me to chill with you but you are telling me that oh, how did you chill wow amazing I am interested tell me more उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि ये गधा मेरे को jealous feel करवा रहा है तो मैं क्यों उसकी बात सुनूं after I think 5 minutes he calls me back again तो I was like this time though I am not even interested because I know your drill what you will do you will make me feel jealous so I will not pick your call I am smart तो मैंने फोन नहीं उठाया तो immediately again he calls me back दूसरी बार जब कॉल आया मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि okay maybe he's wanting to say something I picked up the call and he says hello Riju Anisha's heart is paining and I was like hello what and he cuts the call he tells me 3 words and he cuts the call okay by the way Anisha is my childhood friend and she is having pain in her chest basically heart तो उस गधे ने बोला लेकिन in her chest I thought something serious happened and I started panicking I was panicking so much that I just could not even now when I think of that situation I can feel that trauma I got ready I called her she's not picking the call I called her again she's not picking the call I called her again she's not picking the call I got more anxious and mind you she's alone in the house so there is nobody to help her it's us who will go and will help her we go to her house we pick her up she's fine she looks fine but she's telling that she's complaining that her chest is paining it's it's a sharp pain and it's burning and it's paining and everything and it's on the left side and her arms are paining and everything देखो मेरे basic और मेरे limited knowledge से मेरे को इतना ही पता है that when it's a hard thing your arms your chest in the left side your down part of the chest starts paining so that's my understanding of my limited knowledge I have no idea finally we reach the hospital अभी hospital पहुंचने के बाद he says only one person with the patient can go inside and I'm like fair enough it's okay I'll go inside and then I go inside there is no beds available and he makes her sit in a chair तो हॉस्पिटल पहुंचने के बाद हमको उन्होंने एक चेयर दे दिया so cute मतलब just imagine we panicked so much he bought his car from his house we picked her up we went to hospital to make her sit in a chair मतलब मेरे को ये हॉस्पिटल के बारे में यही सबसे प्यारा लगता है मतलब उनको जो करना होता है वो वही नहीं करते हैं बाकी सब घटिया काम करते हैं उसके बाद finally they gave us one bed but that bed was lying in between मतलब उसमें कोई ऑक्सीजन उसमें कोई पल्स रेट उसमें कोई मॉनिटर उसमें कुछ नहीं था it was just लवारिस ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था bed after half an hour of waiting we were called for ECG So the ECG report was thankfully fine and we were shifted to the normal beds. लेकिन मैं जहाँ होती हूँ स्टोरी वहाँ थोड़ी एंड होती है स्टोरी तो अभी भी है हम आ रहे थे हॉस्पिटल से वापस घर बट घर में भी हम सुकून से नहीं आ पाएंगे बिकॉज हम गाड़ी में मैं हूँ मेरा पनौती तो लगना ही है सो वी वर कमिंग फ्रॉम द रेगुलर वे दैट वी केम उसमें पुलिस ने हमें रोक लिया ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव के लिए चक्कर में हमें और 15 मिनट रुकना पड़ा वी हैड टू वेट एंड वी हैड टू सी दैट nobody is drinking nobody is driving oh sorry one person is not drinking and driving another person are not drunk no other person can be drunk I'm a law student okay that and all you don't teach me whatever so उसके बाद आते आते हमारी पेशेंट बोली कि मेरे को बाहर का खाना खाना है अभी हम इंडियन होके कैसे उसको खाने दे बाहर का खाना अभी तो हॉस्पिटल से निकली है वो कैसे उसको खाने दे बाहर का खाना so that was the traumatic story that I wanted to tell I know it was not that much also big story but I made it big intentionally because I needed content and you also needed content so if you're watching till now thank you so much love you